Okay guys, so it's time to collect eggs, and we don't have to go inside anymore. We just have to look at the back now that they're all laying, and we know they're all laying in here or the other little spot. So we can just come back here. And yesterday I didn't do a video, but I did get 12 eggs. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is 6, and we should get 2 more brown ones if they all laid. So, I mean, we should. That is 6, but we should get 8 if they all laid. 7, 8. Should be 9, I think. I'll check in a minute. There's none in here. Let's fix that a little bit. Doesn't look like there's anything there. At this side, doesn't look like anything. That's just a feather. Okay, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 eggs. Let it focus. So hopefully we get 12 in the next video.